Hey friends, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 4 key elements that I always use when I'm styling a coffee table, and those are a mirrored or some sort of tray to keep all of your smaller items like candles and coasters, your coffee table books to add height and also some interest, a plant or florals like this one. This is a faux fern, so that's number 3. And then number 4, I always have to have a candle. Just kind of adds to the whole overall ambiance of the space and just brings in that warmth. And as you can see, I try to tie in some extra texture. So for instance, the planter is a ceramic. We have a glass cloche, a mirrored tray that kind of adds in some more light. And then the candle is concrete. And then my coasters are both marble and wood. So keeping those elements all kind of cohesive throughout kind of adds that layered texture. Thanks for flying by, y'all. robynssouthernnest.com for more details.